Ahoy there, everybody! Captain Granite, back again with another motovlog. Today, I'm going to tell you that I just beat up Wilfred Brimley. So what is going on, everybody? Captain Granite here, and wow, do I have some fantabulous news. So, as a lot of you know, last year, well, was it last year? I feel like it was last year. Dude, COVID's just got all my timing like completely messed up. So, literally, no, it was the year before. Yeah, it was the year before, because last year I got the house. See, COVID's got it all sorts on me. So 2 years ago, all right, story time. Which, you know, I did do a video on it too. So I got diagnosed with diabetes, the Wilfred Brimley Disease. Rest in peace, Wilfred Brimley. He actually just recently died, not too long ago. But anyway, if you know who Wilfred Brimley is, he's like the old cowboy actor. He was very well known for having the diabetes. He even says diabetes. There's a lot of memes about it too. Ugh, had to crack it, getting a little heated. So yeah, so he recently died. Don't remember what it was that killed him, but I mean, he was old. Anyway, so I always called diabetes the Wilfred Brimley disease. And the fact that I had it, you know, I wasn't surprised. You know, I'd been, oh boy, this Lost Star is really, you go Hyundai, you go. Oh man. Anyway, I wasn't terribly surprised when I got diagnosed with it. I'd been teetering on the pre-diabetic range for a while. And then I ended up almost weighing the most I ever had. When I got diagnosed, I was 260 pounds. I got down to about 226 when I switched to keto. And keto, I'll get to that in a little bit. But so I dealt with it for a good old year, and then I was supposed to go back to the doctor and have a follow-up appointment, and then COVID hit. Amongst other things I was going to do, I thought that lady was going to pull out. She was looking at her phone. I didn't, because COVID hit, and I said, you know what, call me back when COVID is kind of on the decline, once we're starting to get a handle on it. Well, they did. They did a couple weeks ago. They got me right in. They wanted to check my A1C. They wanted to check everything that I had questions about. So we get into that. So when I originally got diagnosed, my A1C was 9.7. Fucking high. I had been on keto for a while. I dropped all that weight. That was the biggest thing. Dropped the weight, cut the sugar, all that. Type 2 diabetes, you can beat. Get in there. He looks at me and he goes, well, you've actually lost a good chunk of weight. And I told him, you know, actually, when they weighed me, I was actually back up to about 240. So I put on about 20 pounds, but I mean, the wife is pregnant. She can't do keto anymore. You can't do keto when you're pregnant because you need the carbs and the sugars and all that intake crap. So I've been off keto for a little while, which had me a bit nervous for this doctor's visit. And you know, I didn't necessarily fast for it. You know, I didn't watch what I ate. You know, I had carbs the night before. I had carbs for breakfast. When I was on my way to the hospital, I drank an energy drink. I mean, it was Bang, so it has no sugars in it, but still, I had an energy drink. You know, I didn't watch it at all. Go in, and they prick my finger. They run the test, and nurse leaves. Doctor comes in. he looks at me and he goes, I'm floored right now. And I said, oh? I was like, well, why are you floored? He goes, because your A1C is not even in diabetic range. It's not even in pre-diabetic range. It came back at like a 5.2. And I think it's 5.7 is the pre-diabetic range when you creep into it. So I mean, I'm a few points below. And I even told him, I was like, look, well, that is a lovely place to park. And I told him, I was like, look, I didn't watch my carbs at all. He goes, so you're telling me your blood sugar level, or the A1C number, there we go, should be lower than this right now? I was like, I guess so. I'm like, if I should have been fasting for this, then probably yes. And he was just absolutely floored. He goes, I'm absolutely shocked that, you know, keto. He told me to go on keto, so that was the biggest thing. He was shocked that it had such an impact, that it not only changed my lifestyle, but he even goes, you know what? He goes, I'm not even putting in your paperwork that you're diabetic now. He goes, it'll reflect that you were diabetic. But he goes, from everything that we've tested here, he goes, you are in the clear. He goes, you are absolutely clear of type 2 diabetes. And you know what? I teared up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I got a little emotional. It was quite the feeling to know that just changing your diet, and you know, I didn't exercise like at all. It was just changing my diet. Impacted me in such a way to make it so, you know, diabetes can just go away. And you know, for anyone out there that is struggling with it and they want to get under control, I'm telling you, keto, it changed my life. Diabetes changed my life, and it's something that you hold on to for life. And I'm still gonna, you know, I'm going back to keto. It's just hard right now with the wife being pregnant and not being able to do keto. So I mean, yes, I've gotten a little bit chunky again, just a little chunky, but it's okay. It's okay as long as I try to maintain it. I don't necessarily have to worry about diabetes anymore. I mean, I'm still gonna worry about it because I've had it, and I know what it entails. You know, with heart disease, and I mean, it really attacks your immune system. COVID was a nightmare for people with diabetes. I was lucky enough that, you know, knock on tank, I haven't caught diabetes yet, or won't, or just, I hope not. But I rarely get sick as it is. I mean, I'll get the occasional headache, but I don't get like sick. I've never gotten the flu shot. I've never gotten the flu. I have not gotten the COVID shot because I mean I know the premise with it. You know, it's supposed to help, you know, if you do get COVID, because you can get COVID when you have the COVID vaccine. It just lessens the symptoms. I don't necessarily put myself out there in public enough that I feel like I'm running a great risk of getting COVID. I go to my office, which has 5 people in it, and we're all 10 plus feet away from each other, and then I go home. That's it. I don't go out to eat. I don't party. I don't do any of that stuff. So realistically, I don't put myself out there enough. Now, going back to the whole work subject, work does have me travel. And I travel to China, I travel to Indonesia, I travel to these foreign countries. Now, I haven't been told that I have to go there again. For this year at least. Next year, I don't know. Who knows? However, until they tell me that, hey, you need to be vaccinated to go over there, or just to get on the plane to go over there, you need to be vaccinated, I'll go do it. But for right now, I don't need it. There's more important people out there that need it. Besides little old Captain Granite. And you know, I've had family members get the shot, and you know, more power to them. And this isn't about the COVID shot at all. This is about me beating the shit out of Wilfred Brimley. And I did. Just by beating the Wilfred Brimley disease, I beat up Wilfred Brimley, a dead celebrity. I hope you're proud of me. Oh, man. No. Wilfred Brimley was a wonderful actor. He really was. Name a cowboy movie with an old cowboy man with a great mustache. Yeah, it's Wilfred Brimley. So yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. I want to thank you all for being here. I know I missed last week, but it's been raining 2 straight weeks. I mean, literally just non-stop rain. There's one day I could have gotten the bike out, and I had to catch up with the lawn. I literally have a jungle. I had to do some adulting before YouTube. But what that means is, if you guys didn't know, is that I stream on Twitch. So anytime during the week, I mean, you can always catch me on there. If you follow my Twitter, it auto posts when I'm on Twitch. Come on over, say hello in the side chat, and have a good talk. I'm always on there, like literally. So, with that said, be sure to hit the like button, be sure to hit the subscribe video, leave a nice little comment, and follow me on all my socials. I know the little YouTube thing and Instagram thing had already popped up. And I will see you guys next Wednesday for another video. Because honestly, the weather looks pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. I should be able to get a few videos in the back burner and have some releases for you guys here for the next couple weeks. So, we're gonna take the back way home. Mainly because they have the other road completely torn up. So, until the next one, guys, Captain Granite, later.
All right. And after it's all over, you say, "Oh, what a lovely tea party."